Have you ever wondered how to maintain a healthy diet while still enjoying tasty meals? Well, it's time to set aside those doubts because we're about to embark on an exciting journey towards achieving just that. It's no secret that maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for our overall health and well-being. From boosting our energy levels to improving our mood, the benefits are countless. But let's be honest, we all have a love-hate relationship with dieting. We love the idea of eating healthily, but hate the thought of giving up our favorite treats. So, how can we strike that perfect balance? The answer is meal prepping. Not only does it save time and reduce stress, but meal prepping also ensures we're consuming balanced and nutritious meals throughout the day. It's like having our cake and eating it too, only this cake is good for us. Today, we're taking a look at a full day of meals that are not only healthy, but also incredibly delicious. We're talking about a breakfast of grilled salmon with chopped vegetables, a lunch consisting of a vibrant grilled yellow squash salad with walnuts and feta cheese, and for dinner, we're serving up baked chicken thighs with roasted Brussels sprouts. Each of these meals plays a vital role in our health. Breakfast kickstarts our metabolism and fuels our bodies for the day ahead. Lunch provides us with a midday energy boost, while dinner replenishes our bodies with nutrients after a long day. But these meals aren't just about fueling our bodies. They're about enjoying the food we eat. Each dish is a burst of flavors, textures, and colors that is sure to excite your palate and leave you satisfied. So, are you ready to join us on this culinary journey? Gather your ingredients, tie on your apron, and let's dive into the world of healthy, delicious meals. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste. It's about finding the right balance. And with the right ingredients and steps, anyone can prepare these healthy and delicious meals. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and we're starting it off with grilled salmon and chopped vegetables. Picture this, a succulent piece of salmon, perfectly grilled, flaky and tender, paired with a colorful medley of chopped vegetables, each bite bursting with flavor. Doesn't that sound like a heavenly way to start your day? Now, let's dive into the process of creating this nutritious masterpiece. We begin by marinating the salmon in a blend of spices and herbs, letting it absorb those delicious flavors. Meanwhile, we chop a variety of fresh vegetables. Think bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, and broccoli. The more colorful, the better. Grilling the salmon to perfection is an art, one that requires a hot grill and a keen eye to ensure the fish is cooked just right. And why salmon for breakfast, you ask? Well, salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are key for maintaining heart health. It's also packed with high-quality protein and a range of essential nutrients, including vitamin D and selenium. Now let's not forget our vibrant sidekick, the chopped vegetables. These are not just there to add a pop of color. They are powerhouses of nutrition, loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. The fiber in these veggies will keep you feeling full and satisfied, helping you avoid those pesky mid-morning snack cravings. So, there you have it. A breakfast that's not just mouth-wateringly delicious, but also brimming with health benefits. Imagine waking up to this every day, nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. And the best part? This meal is easy to prepare, making it perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing to get out the door. So, no excuses. Start your day the healthy way. A breakfast that's not just tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients to kickstart your day. For lunch, we're serving up a refreshing grilled yellow squash salad with walnuts and feta cheese. Imagine a salad that's not only bursting with flavor, but also packed full of nutritional benefits. That's what we're creating today. We're starting with yellow squash, a remarkable vegetable that's low in calories but high in nutritional value. It's a brilliant source of vitamins A, B6, and C, which are essential for a healthy immune system, nerve function, and overall well-being. Now let's add some walnuts to our salad. These little powerhouses of nutrition are great for brain health, thanks to their high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Plus, they add a delightful crunch to our salad, balancing the soft texture of the grilled squash. But we're not stopping there. Our salad will also feature feta cheese, a tangy addition that's rich in calcium. This vital mineral is crucial for bone health and muscle function, and feta cheese is an excellent source. Now, to the preparation. Start by grilling your yellow squash until it's tender and slightly charred. This not only enhances the flavor, but also makes it easier to digest. Next, roughly chop your walnuts and crumble your feta cheese. Once your squash is grilled to perfection, let it cool slightly before slicing it into bite-sized pieces. Now toss it in a large bowl with your chopped walnuts and crumbled feta. Drizzle a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper over the top, then give everything a good toss to combine. And there you have it, a refreshing grilled yellow squash salad with walnuts and feta cheese. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, all working together to create a meal that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. So next time you're looking for a light lunch that doesn't compromise on taste or nutrition, remember this salad. It's a perfect example of how healthy food can be satisfying and enjoyable. A light yet satisfying lunch that keeps you energized without weighing you down. Finally, for dinner, we have baked chicken thighs with roasted Brussels sprouts. Now, isn't that a mouth-watering combination? It's not just about tantalizing your taste buds, but also providing your body with the nourishment it needs. Let's start with the baked chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are a fantastic source of protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, which boost brain health, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant. The baking process allows us to cook the chicken thoroughly while retaining its juiciness and flavor. Now, onto the Brussels sprouts. These little green gems are high in fiber, helping to support a healthy digestive system. They're also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They're particularly high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health, and vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. Roasting them brings out their natural sweetness, making them a delight to the palate. To prepare this meal, we'll first marinate the chicken thighs in a blend of spices and herbs. While the chicken is absorbing all that flavor, we'll prep the Brussels sprouts. Cutting them in half allows them to roast evenly and enhances their flavor. Next, we'll place the marinated chicken thighs and the Brussels sprouts on a baking tray. A drizzle of olive oil over the sprouts, a sprinkle of salt, and into the oven they go. The chicken and Brussels sprouts will roast together, their flavors mingling to create a delicious harmony. Once everything is beautifully roasted, we'll serve the chicken thighs with a generous helping of Brussels sprouts on the side. The result? A hearty, flavorful dinner that satisfies your taste buds while also contributing to your health. Cooking healthy meals doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little planning and a few good recipes, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals every day. A hearty dinner that satisfies your taste buds while also contributing to your health. So there you have it, a full day of delicious, health-packed meals. As we wrap up the third day of our healthy meals journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the culinary delights we've explored today. We started our day with a breakfast of grilled salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, coupled with chopped vegetables for a dose of essential vitamins and minerals. This meal set the tone for a day filled with nutritious, satisfying meals. We then transitioned to lunch with a refreshing grilled yellow squash salad, sprinkled with crunchy walnuts and creamy feta cheese. This light yet filling meal offered a mix of textures and flavors, with the added benefit of high fiber content from the squash and healthy fats from the walnuts. As the day drew to a close, we treated ourselves to a hearty dinner of baked chicken thighs accompanied by roasted Brussels sprouts. This meal was a protein powerhouse, perfect for muscle recovery and growth. The Brussels sprouts added a healthy dose of fiber, making this dish a balanced, nutrient-dense choice. Each of these meals was not only a feast for the taste buds, but also a boon for our bodies. They were packed with essential nutrients, designed to fuel our bodies and support our health goals. And the best part? They were all simple to prepare, requiring minimal ingredients and time. Now it's your turn to bring these meals to life in your kitchen. Try recreating these dishes at home, and feel free to put your unique spin on them. Whether you stick to the recipes or add your personal touch, the important thing is to enjoy the process and the result. Delicious, nutritious meals that nourish your body and soul. As we conclude today's adventure, remember that this is just the beginning. There are countless more delectable, healthful meals waiting to be discovered on this journey. So, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the pleasure of good food and good health. Remember, a journey to fitness begins with the first step. Make the choice to eat healthily, and your body will thank you.